If you guys want to see all our new classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. Let's go. We are in the middle of nowhere. This is how you buy classic cars. City? No. Country? Yes. We're just gonna park here for now. It's been sitting in a barn for 25, 30 years. Hopefully we make a deal. This is exciting, guys. Real exciting. So can you tell me a little bit about this, the story behind it, how long you had it?
I got it in 90.
1990?
Yeah, from a friend of mine. And he had just put mufflers on it. And it had a lot of paint on it, okay?
Yeah.
We stripped it down to the fiberglass.
Okay.
Okay? This is done by Buzzies up here. It's a real custom paint job.
What was the original paint color?
A red-ish.
I noticed the bumper. You guys changed the bumper on it.
Yeah, I put the 73 front on
I
it.
see. What made you do that?
I don't know.
No, 'cause I'm actually a fan of the chrome. I like the chrome bumpers.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Some people, you know, like them a lot. Some, believe it or not, majority of them that I speak with, people like them.
This is what I'm into now.
Oh, yeah?
It's got 3,000 original miles.
No way.
Those are Michelin red stripes, original.
That's for sale or no?
No.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. So you brought it down to the fiberglass, you painted it, you
Right.
changed the front bumper.
The engine's been done.
Original motor?
30 over. 280 cam.
Okay.
MSD.
Yeah, I rebuilt the motor and transmission. I used to have a street rod shop,
Okay.
and I still rebuild motors, ship them all over the world.
Really?
Yeah, mostly Crosley engines. I have a complete machine shop at my house.
What do you know about the history of this? Do you know anything when, like, from...
He had got it from his brother. It was up in New York.
Okay. What part do you know?
But that I don't know.
Climb under it.
Well, we can jack it up.
You got my phone real quick?
Yeah.
Get a light.
I'll give you a drop light too. And you're gonna have to behave now.
Should be good under there.
Yeah, it looks good. A little bit of surface.
Yeah, but not bad.
No, not on this
Like I
side.
said, it's been in the freaking barn since '94.
So spent a lot of its life inside.
Yeah, yeah. Doing little things here and there, just getting it up, and then I got into the Triumphs, and that's it. All new rubber everywhere, tops, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The only ones I didn't replace yet are these pillar, and they're in the spare parts. I got new ones.
You know if these leak?
Nope, doesn't leak.
You want to fire it up for us?
Yeah, go ahead, Dark.
Let's
See
see.
these dogs, I'll put them outside there. Come on.
Come on.
That's that choke sticking again. light on it.
No, it's got nettle frost.
Settle down.
Nettle frost.
Gonna open the trunk for us?
What trunk?
No trunk.
No trunk.
It's a joke. Usually when I tell people that, you know, they look at me, they're like, "You crazy?" I wasn't sure if your reaction was gonna be, "Am I crazy?"
That's it. One trunk.
Come here.
That's why I told you to open it. You wouldn't believe. So one time I told a customer, I sold him a car, and I'm like, "Hey, if it shuts off on you when you're driving down the road, just wait an hour and you'll be fine." And then it'll start back up. The customer looked at me like, "What? I just bought this car." Yeah. I mean, it's not a perfect car. It is what you said it was. It seems to be right up our alley. We'll fix it and try to make some money on it.
There's a lot of spare parts and shit in here.
Okay.
You got brand new wipes. I didn't put them in yet. Okay, for the outside. These are some extra parts here. You got new stainless steel caps. All kinds of shit that goes with it.
Okay. All right, guys, we are here. We're in the middle of nowhere. We're on a farm. We're buying this barn find 1971 Chevy Corvette L82. Car's beautiful. They redid the motor. They did a complete rebuild on it. They brought the car basically down to all the fiberglass, and they painted it in the, I think he said in the 90s. So the car's got paint, one repaint, and the motor's been refreshed. It's a solid car. It's not perfect by any means. What I don't like about it is right here. This bumper was changed. If you know anything about the C3s, before 72, they had the front bumper was metal. This does not have the metal front bumper. This more looks like a 73 and up. I'm not a big fan of that. I actually like the chrome and I like the way it looks, so we might have to change that back. The paint's in fairly good condition. You got a couple spots, like if we go across it and you look, this all looks nice, but I saw a few blemishes. Let's see if we can find them. A little bit chipping here. And then you got one little spot here, a little bubble right there. I think that was it. A little chip here, right here, and here. But what I like about it, it's super clean undercarriage. The car for the past 35 years has spent its life sitting in this barn, and it's been on concrete, so it doesn't have a ton of rust underneath. The undercarriage is in good shape. It's got a little bit of surface we'll clean up, and then we'll undercoat it, make it real nice and pretty. It's an AC car, which is awesome. The AC does not turn on, so we're going to have to recharge that, get that going. But the engine, you know, the carb was sticking a little bit. Once we got it going, it sounded great. They have it priced fairly reasonable. There's a little bit of meat on the bones. Once we get it back to the shop, do the work to it, we should be able to make money on it. Interior has seen better days. It needs a little bit of interior work. This seat over here has a little cut in it. The gas gauge is showing half a tank, but it's also showing empty at the same time. The low fuel light is on, so that has to be addressed. I mean, besides that, we'll get that fixed. We'll fix the AC, and we should be good to go. Look at the trim. Trim number's 420. The paint code is right here, so we'll look that up and kind of see what the original paint was. When they painted, they didn't do a bad job at all. The only thing I'm not a huge fan too is because of the color with the interior. It's burgundy with the red. I would have preferred tan interior, but we may do a switch to it. I don't know. We'll see.
There's a can of paint in there that gives you the code number.
Perfect.
Okay, it's in the back.
I got cash on me.
And it goes like hell.
I could imagine. I mean, well, let me ask him real quick. Do you want to come over here, Ben, real fast?
Yeah.
Complete, the block was cooked,
Okay, hold
new
on.
cam bearings, new freeze-out plugs, board 30 over, the heads were done, guides were done,
Wow.
complete major overhaul.
How long ago was that? How many miles do you know?
There's less than 100 miles on the engine.
What?
It's
Yeah,
still
less
got
than
the
100.
break-in oil
It's
in
been
it.
sitting here, I'm telling you.